Hi, welcome back. I know, right? I'm a sucker. I know. This is a huge Christmas splurge. Anyway, um, so yes, I did splurge on this. I actually got it from the store, the Popmart store, and they had it. So like, and I always wanted this series in particular. Like the older version, I guess, the Macarons. I hope I pronounced that right. Anyway, the background. So this was a okay. I'm sorry if I butcher it, but it's another store. Is Uniqlo? Uniqlo. I'll definitely put it in the description. But they were having merch of Labubu's, right? What a small world. But yeah, the background. Of course, I got t-shirts and a sweater, and I'll show. So this is a sweater, of course, before we get into the unboxing. But so yeah, isn't it cute? I couldn't help myself. The clothes is actually gifts from my dad. So yeah, we are the monsters. It's like hee hee. But I really like it. So yeah, the sweater is really actually good quality. It's really good. If anyone shop at Uniqlo, that was like actually my first time. I heard a lot of good things about it, and we actually have a store, official store, in the mall. So that's great. So, because I always been kind of tempted to buy online because sometimes they have themes like Pokemon or any other popular theme that might just came up during that time, and they would sell it online. But I just never really bothered with that since I wasn't sure. But anyway, so we have a store, and so yeah, I'm glad. I like their quality of the clothes and everything. It's really cute. So yeah, don't mind. So those are backgrounds. So I'm gonna maybe see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, I might zoom in now, huh? Yeah, maybe zoom in a bit more. Okay, let's see if I do this right. There you go. So yeah, I actually like all these. I don't know if it's because of the name or something, and the color. I don't know what it is, but anyway, I have the set and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So let's see how I'm gonna do this in a way. Okay, don't mind me. I'm an amateur. Okay, I'm just like trying to get into position. Okay. I got my handy dandy. But yeah, I don't really care for the rare or anything like that. I'm just happy with the regular standard. And I believe this should be, I don't want to say never. I just want to say that for Labubu wise, I think that's it. I'm not that crazy about Labubu, but I really did like the series. So yes. So this is a huge splurge. But I don't think I don't think, besides this, I don't think I'll keep on going or anything like that with Labubu. I've always been a fan of blind boxes or blind bags for a long time. And so of course I might still purchase once in a while, but I'm trying to be good because, as you know, these things does take up space. Well, at least these are like keychains, so it shouldn't be too bad. Like you can put on your bag. so at least that's not too bad. Is this like the thing how they do it? I don't know how they do it. Anyway, I don't want to like tear it, so I'm just gonna okay. All right, I like all of them. So So, and then I got the set, so I should get all of them, I believe. But which one would I want to get first? Of course, I want the green one first. Second, third, fourth. And yeah, those are later. Just order wise. Okay. So cute. I don't know about you guys, but I will save these because you can always use it for scrapbooking or whatever. That was not a clean pull. Oh, okay. So now it's in. Well, that's cute. It's in pouches. Well, it's from the store Popmart, so shouldn't be fake. I think I would be able to tell. What is it? The fake one? Labubu. Okay. What color? Oh my god! Good luck. I got the green one. I don't know. It's because of this material that I like. Because I have the. I better go around and get it. Because I have the other one where it's like the Energy series. I think. I mean, it was cute too. But I think I like. Well, for sure, that's why I bought it. But I like this series. Let me run. I'm sorry. Be right back. I am not prepared. Sorry about that. Okay, found him. So this is the Big Energy series, I believe. See, so this is my first one. No, he's cute too. I mean, that's why I got him. But I don't know, maybe the old school one. I like the material. Okay, how am I gonna display it? You know what I mean? Gosh. I might have to make it like a little bit bigger. Okay, bear with me. I'm such an amateur. Okay, that should be fine. So I'm gonna move the box a bit. Yeah, let's do that. That way I can put the Labubus, you know? Well, this guy's not belonging there, but it's okay. I still want to keep the box though. Oops. I'm gonna move my dinosaur. I am so disorganized. I'm sorry. Just have to bear with me. There you go. Ah. Okay, can you see? I hope that's okay. Alright. Oh. I actually might zoom in a bit more. Okay. Okay, that's not too bad. So, like, you can still see. Okay. Next one. What is... I got the green grape. Yep, green grape. Now, what I got? Oh yeah, of course. The bags are kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I think I got soy milk. Okay, I'm gonna move this guy. I mean, he's not really part of the series. Yeah. You know something though? Oh! I was about to say, yeah, there it is. Because, like, don't they have cards? There you go. Card. Let me see if the other one has it. Where's my card? Oh, okay. Well, that's... I don't know if I dropped it, but I don't see the card for the green one. That is a little sad. I'm like looking at for it right now just to make sure. Did it not? Yeah. Well, that's a shame. You know, because I like collecting the card, and I don't see the green one. I don't think I dropped it. Okay. Well, boo. I guess I don't think it's on him. Oh, well, that's a shame. I'm gonna check all of them though. Okay. All right, another one. I don't understand. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I didn't really see the card on the green one. I wonder if they forgot it, but is it getting blurry? Wow, I'm doing a terrible job. I don't want to move the box. Okay, anyway. Well, that is a shame because I want the green one. I think this is toffee. I believe it's toffee. So. Okay. Another box. Yep. Lychee. Sorry, I'm like knocking over the tripod. She's so cute. Okay, pink one. Okay. I'm so bummed out. Not getting the green card. I mean, green card. Green Labubu card, or whatever you call this thing. But yeah. That's a shame. Oh. I'm assuming this is the sesame one. Okay. I haven't seen my coconut. My sea salt coconut. Oh, that one's actually pretty cute. The sesame one? Okay. Alright, last one. Last one. Ta-da! Okay. Last box. Where is it? Okay, there you go. Sea salt coconut. All right. Last one. Cute. He's cute. I'm calling all he when I think it's she, right? Like Labubus are girls. My bad. It's okay, big energy can still be in here. So yeah, there's my Labubu. Yeah. Poor guy. The green one, which is like my favorite one, doesn't have his own card. So silly. But anyway, so thank you for watching me unbox the Labubus. Okay, I really need to be good. No more. Especially at this kind of, you know, expensive purchase. So just huge splurge. am rewarding myself for this year. So that's like the biggest gift that I purchased for myself. But anyway, have a good day, and thank you for watching.